Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to be making number patterns. So we're going to be learning about observing, using, and making those number patterns. We're going to be looking at some missing numbers. Now, we're very good at looking at number patterns to 10, but we are now going to be looking at number patterns all the way up to 40. So all the work that we've been doing on tens and ones is going to help us with this. So let's start off by looking at this number chart. I've got some numbers missing on this number chart. Can you think of some different methods we could use to find out which numbers are missing? Do you think you can spot any patterns in the numbers here on the number chart that might be able to help us know and work out which are the missing numbers? Have a think about it. I'm going to help you out. So let's start with this one down here. And I think we can count on by one to help us. Do you think we can do that? Let's give it a go. So 32, count on by one. What will come next? 33, 34, 35. Excellent. Okay, so we've counted on by one. We've counted up by one to find out about that one. What about this blue square here, this missing number? How could we find that one? Instead of counting on by one, let's count backwards by one. So let's start here at 40. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Now let's have a look at this column here. What do you notice? We have got the same number in the ones column, haven't we? Here we're starting off with 7. When we reach 17, we've got a 7. When we reach 27, we've got a 7. When we reach 37, we've got a 7. So, are our ones changing here as we move further up, as the numbers get bigger? They're not, are they? Are the tens changing? The tens are changing, aren't they? Because they are showing us that the numbers are getting bigger. So let's have a look here. And let's start off by looking at the ones in this column. So we can see our ones are all the digit 8. And let's look at our tens. We've got 10 here showing us that this is 18, and a 10 here, 3 tens here showing us that this is 38. So what do you think we are missing here? Which number? If the tens in this line here all starting with 1, and the tens in this line here are all starting with 3, then let's look at the tens in this line. They are all starting with 2. So I think it's going to be 28 in this line. What about this one here? Our ones are 5s. Let's look at our tens then. So we know our ones are going to be, it's going to be a 5. And again, we are in the 20 line, aren't we? 21, 22, 23, 24. So we've got 2 tens there, which give us 25. Right. Let's have a look here. What is 1 more than 24? We've got a number track and a number line to help us out. So our friend here, Holly, is saying each number is one more than the number before it. What is one more than 24? Look, our tens are all staying the same, aren't they? 21, 22, 23, 24. So our next number is going to be 25. Okay. That's another jump on our number line. After 24 is the number 25. Let's look what we've got here. Lovely. So look, it's showing us we've got 2 10s here and 4 1s, 24. And the next number up here is 2 10s and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. One more than 24 is 25. So what is the number pattern we've got here then? What is the number pattern? Let's say this together. We have got the number pattern is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, and that might go on. If you can carry that on, then please do. What about this one? What comes next in the pattern? Can you pause the video and work it out? What do you notice about the pattern when you have worked it out? Off you go. Okay, so well done. You must have paused and come back to the video. So let's see. What did you notice about the pattern in this set of numbers? We've got 20, 22, 24, 26, 20. What's it saying down here? It's saying 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. So the numbers here are getting bigger by how much? They're getting bigger by 1? They're not, are they? They are getting bigger by 2. We've got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So this is going to be, what's 2 more than 26? 27, 28. Lovely. So let's have a look. We've got 2 10s here, 6 1s. How many 10s are we going to have for 28? 2. And how many 1s are we going to have? Our 10s are the same, remember? Look, we've got 2 10s, 2 10s. 6 1s gives us, with 2 10s gives us 26. So for 28, we need how many 1s? We need 8. There we go. We can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. So 2 more than 26 is 28. And the number pattern is, let's say it together, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. What would be the next number in that number pattern? 28. Would it be 29? Jumping on by 1? It wouldn't, would it? Because we're jumping on by 2. So we're not writing 29. 28, we can whisper it in our heads. 29. 30. There we go. That would be the next number in our number pattern. So let's see what our friend here is saying. Each number is 2 more than the number before it. What is 2 more than 26? Well, we've worked that out, haven't we? 2 more than 26 is 28. So here, the numbers are getting bigger by 2 every time in that number pattern. What comes next in this pattern? Can you pause the video and work it out? Think about the pattern. What do you notice about it? Off you go. Okay, well done. So here, let's have a look at the numbers. Let's say them together. 38, 36, 34, 32. Are those numbers getting bigger or smaller? Are they going up the number ladder or are they going down the number ladder? They are going down the number ladder, aren't they? Which means they are getting smaller in size. And it says here, 2 less, 2 less, 2 less, 2 less. And we know what less means, don't we? It means getting smaller. If they were getting bigger, it would say 2 more. So 2 less than 38 is 36. 2 less than 34 is 2 less than 36, sorry, is 34. 2 less than 34 is 32. 2 less than 32 is, what have you worked it out as? It is 30. And to help us, if we are counting down, we can just whisper the number that isn't there. So the number that's in between here, because we're skipping by 2, aren't we? So let's do that. Let's count. Let's start at 38. And we're going to say the numbers we can see nice and loudly. And the numbers we can't see, we're going to whisper. And that's going to help us get to our answer. So 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Great. So the numbers are getting smaller. 2 less than 32 is 30. Let's say the number pattern together. The number pattern is 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. Lovely. Okay. Let's see what our friend is saying. Each number is 2 less than the number before it. We worked that out, didn't we? What is less than 32? It is 30. So here, the numbers are getting smaller by how many every time? They're getting smaller by 2 every time. Pause the video and see if you can work these ones out on your own. Use the number line here on the screen or the number line or the 100 square that you have on your learning mat to help you, okay? Off you go. Okay, good job. So, well done. You've found the missing numbers and let's check them together. So, 30 is 1 more than 29. Oh dear, I'm sorry, I didn't have 1 more written in there. So don't worry if that one confused you. Oh, sorry, everybody. Let's have a look here. We had a number that is 1 less than 37. So I found 37, jumped down 1, 36. We had a number that is 2 more than 31. So 1, 2 jumps up from 31. Got me to 33. 33 is 2 more than 31. And 33 is 2 less than 35. Found 35, jumped down 2, and we are maths superstars. Now try this one. Pause the video and complete the number patterns. Use the number line on the screen or on your home learning mat. Remember to look carefully at the patterns. They might not always be going up or down by 1. They might be jumping more. So off you go. Good job. Let's see. this is what I got: 33, 32, 31, 29, 27, 25, 26. What has happened there? Do you know what, year one? I've made a mistake, haven't I? Let me check. Yeah. This is not supposed to be 26. Goodness me. That is supposed to be 20. It's not even supposed to be 24. It's supposed to be 20. I hope you can tell me what number it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be 23. Okay. So I am sorry about that. Let's have a look at this one. We have got 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So how many jumps are we making in question B? We are jumping up by 2, aren't we? And what about in this one here? Oh, do you know what? I've messed this one up completely. I've put in all the wrong numbers, so ignore that one. I'm sorry. But don't you worry, because you're going to be able to have plenty of time to practice these, because I promise that I haven't messed up the activities. So here is today's task. Look on Google Drive for a PDF with the title Week Beginning 8th of the 6th 20 Maths Activity. And there are maths activities on there. If you can't print out the sheet, don't worry. You can just talk through them with somebody, or you can write them out into your book or onto a piece of paper, or have somebody help you write them out. So if you can't print it, don't worry, that is not necessary. And that sheet has got some activities for you to do to explore number patterns, like we have been doing today. And there is also a super challenge in there too, if you are feeling super hungry for numbers today. So that is your maths task. Off you go, have fun, good luck, and please don't make the same silly mistakes as I did. I will see you all very soon. Bye.